The Goa Association of Resident Doctors on Thursday expressed hope that the authorities concerned will address their grievances of irregular water supply at their hostel in Bambolim within a week, failing which the resident doctors have threatened to take further steps.
The doctors residing at the GARD hostel have been deprived of basic facilities such as regular water supply for almost 8 months. The Association of Doctors had intimated the authorities concerned about the proposed strike on Wednesday evening. However, following assurances from the Dean of the Goa Medical College and Hospital, the Association of Doctors called off their strike on Thursday morning. Speaking to Goa 365, Dr. Asad Ahmed stated that though the doctors had called off the strike, they would be working under protest till all facilities were put in place.
Now, since the work has started, and again Dean has assured, we are calling off the strike in the benefit of patient. We don't want patients to suffer. So on that basis, we are calling off the strike, but we'll be working under protest because still the work is just started and it may take long time. And we hope that the solutions, that problems are solved in 7 days. And we want like basic facilities like installation of AquaGuard, which they have promised that they will do in 7 days, and regular supply in these 7 days and future also. So we'll give them a time of 7 days. If it doesn't occur, then we might have to again meet and decide what we have to do.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar did indeed admit that there was a problem in the water supply at the hostel and assured that the work would be taken on priority basis.
It is a fact that they are facing a problem. It is not only GMC, even Panjim people are facing problem. थंय उदक जायच, त्यामुळे उदक ना हे कळटकीर आमी टँकरांनी वेवस्था करतात. आणि टँकर म्हणजे खंयच्याय बायेचे हाडलेले PWDचे ट्रिटेड वॉटर ओनली वी डू इट. Yesterday the Secretary Health, after pursuing the matter, he has arrived to certain conclusions. He was of the opinion that pipeline has to be replaced by larger pipeline, for which PWD has been asked to take the work on priority, probably ajut jatle.
Santandri MLA Vishnu Suryavag, in whose constituency the hostel is located, stated that the problem of water supply was not new. He maintained that he had been suggesting the government various measures to tackle the problem.
I have raised this issue even during the debate on health demands. I have suggested to Honorable Minister that we have to do something on a war footing to have at least water retention facilities there. I said do water harvesting there. Entire rainwater is getting wasted. We should have at least 5 to 6 bore wells there so that water can be supplied to latrines and for bathroom purpose. Now this has to be done on a war footing. You can't rely on water supply. This is not the first time. It's been happening again and again.